Hello guys, happy Sunday. Let me bring something amazing for you. What if I ask you, what is the level of your consciousness? Probably you don't have answer right now. But let me assure you, after watching this video completely, you will be able to evaluate yourself in a better manner. Also, you will get to know something amazing about yourself. Ready? So let's begin. According to some study, there are 4 levels of consciousness. Yes, people on this planet fall into different categories according to their life experience and knowledge. Let's talk one by one all those 4 levels of consciousness. So the first level of consciousness say people with this mindset are a blamer. They blame to every situation of their life. If something is not correct in their life, something is not happening right, maybe their job, their relationship, they blame to the other people. Maybe they think that their society is not good, their prime minister is not good, their boss is not good. They blame to every situation of the life, and they don't want to hear anyone opinion even because they don't want to improve their life. Okay, if you go to suggest something good for them, they will not hear you. They will be reactive in that situation to say anything to you. So this is the first level of consciousness. Second level say these people are responder who take the responsibility in the life, who choose the reaction wisely. They don't react in any situation just like that. They think about the facts and figure that what is the right reaction in this particular situation, and they willingly learn and grow in their life. These people take the responsibility of anything that is coming in their way. They think that life is happening to me, which means if something is not correct, they take full responsibility to correct that, right? If suppose if these people are going to office, they don't think that their family is pushing to go office. They think that it's my responsibility to go office and serve my family, right? And then there is a third level of consciousness who think beyond themselves, who want to serve this society, who want to contribute to this society, who want to help other people in improving their life, and who think beyond themselves. So these people are responder who think like life happens through me, like want to help other people. So this is a third level of consciousness. Now coming to the last level of consciousness, in which people like Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Mother Teresa, Swami Vivekanand, they reached to the higher level of consciousness, and that's how they were able to change the world. These people were completely detached with this all materialistic world. They were thinking beyond themselves. They want to serve the society, right? They given up everything for the society, and they changed the world. They had no commitment to themselves. They wanted to serve completely to completely for other people. So these were the 4 level of consciousness. I hope you found this information useful. Maybe now you can evaluate yourself that in which category you fall in. And if I talk about myself, then I fall between 2 and 3 level of consciousness. I sometimes go up and down. So yes, now you can evaluate yourself. Okay, right? Bye bye.